Hi guys, Adrian here from Tradeology again. And in the next of a series of educational short videos, I want to cover today more about currency pairs. So what we'll cover in this video are an introduction to currency pairs, the order of currency pairs, the major currency pairs, the cross-currency pairs, and what are currency quotes. So what makes a currency pair? Currencies are paired up and then compared. We have what's known as a base currency and a quote currency. Now, in the term Euro-USD, the euro is what we would call a base currency and the USD the quote currency. What makes a currency pair move? The base currency's strength. The chart goes up when it's strong, and the base currency weakness. The chart goes down, as in the image, when it's weak. The order of currency pairs. We have the following order in which currency pairs are named and articulated. The first being the euro, then the Great British Pound, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, United States dollar, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, and the Japanese yen. Popular currency pairs that are paired with the US dollar are given in the examples below. The euro, USD, is also known as the euro dollar, JPB, USD, the pound dollar, and so on. We've got the Aussie dollar, the Kiwi dollar, the dollar loonie, the dollar Swissy, and the dollar yen. Popular currencies that are not paired with the US dollar. These are, for example, the euro pound, the euro Swissy, the euro yen, the pound Aussie, the pound yen, the Aussie Swissy, and the Kiwi yen. As mentioned before, and as you'll see in the image, the euro in the Euro USD is the base currency and the USD is the quote currency. And you'll see on the image the actual quote for a currency at a particular point in time, as it will be shown on the chart. Hope you enjoyed this short lesson. Looking forward to speaking to you again in the next short lesson.